Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy a product on Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. And after that, the first thing you can do is either go ahead and log into your account if you want to go and purchase from an account, or go ahead and sign in for an account and create one if you do not already have one. But it's not necessary to make purchases. If you are logged in, you are going to be able to see your own dashboard right here for your own store. But you go ahead and buy somebody else's product, you're going to go to their own store. So you need to know their URL of their store and enter it right here to go ahead and find their store and buy something from it. You can even go and use the discover page right here, the left side of the screen, where you can discover new products. You can get started buying. So if you open up any of the products, it's going to show you what they look like. So let's go ahead and click on one of the products, and to go ahead and be able to buy the product, what we want to do from this main page of the product where we have the description, what it does and how it looks, you can click the add to cart option. So you can either add it to your wish list if you want and then send somebody the wish list to purchase it for you, or you can just go and add it to your own cart by clicking add to cart option, and it's going to take you to your cart. From here you can get started inputting your email address, full name, country, and so on, and how you're going to pay. If you're paying with your card, you're going to provide your card information, you have your PayPal, Google Pay, and so on, all the options right here. So proceed with the purchase, and this is how to go ahead and get started purchasing an item on Gumroad. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.